Guys, spring is springing up, man. I ain't even joking. Everything's turning green. Flowers are blooming. This tiny house still ain't done, but I got to take a little break from it, you know what I'm saying? Because I need to come over here to Azalea Circle, which is right there, and I need to take some time before it gets too hot and ticks come out and everything like that, and just clean it up. I need to cut down all the little saplings, the blackberry bushes and stuff like that, and just make it to where we can walk around inside Azalea without worried about getting slapped in the face by a branch or whatever. And I got one of these new brush cutters, field and brush mower type deal. Bought it at Atwoods, and I got to get it put together and kind of first time use and everything. And let's go down the power line and I'll show you what else I need to get cut. So I got about 250 feet of this right of way from the back of the property over here to the power pole, and it's about 50 feet wide. And I need to cut all of this brush, man. There's just sticker bushes, blackberry bushes, all kinds of little saplings and stuff. And this stuff right here is as tall as I am. This stuff right behind me is 6 feet tall. So yeah, I bought the thing. I got to get it put together. And I'm going to see how much of this stuff I can get cut. Glad y'all are here, but I got to get to work. Alright, so I was over there working at Azalea Circle with the new brush cutter, and battery on the camera died, didn't have another battery, ended up putting this one on the charger. Crystal was down at the creek working on the river trail, and I went down there to see her and kind of decided that maybe this machine might help out on the river trail. So I ended up dragging it all the way down the hill, and we worked down there, and I just said, you know what? Forget filming. At that point, I needed this battery charge, and today's a whole new day. So I'm back, and I'm going to go down here to the creek, and I got to drag this thing all the way back up the hill. And I'm telling you, it wasn't easy getting it down there. It sure as heck ain't going to be easy getting it back up, you know what I'm saying? So let's head down to the creek, and I'll show you guys what we worked on yesterday. Chris over here trying to hike down the hill, and I got this little snake over here trying to bother me. Does any of y'all know what kind of snake that is? I'm just gonna let him be, and maybe if I don't bother him, he won't bother me, you know what I'm saying? My son and his buddy came down here yesterday and camped out down by the creek, and I was just checking out their little fire ring they made. Pretty nice little ring. Did you see how perfectly round it was? Got to give them some credit on that, man. Creeks are still running good. It's beautiful, man. We had that big flood you might have seen on one of the YouTube shorts I did, but the very next day, man, it had already went down, and it's just looking beautiful, man. Check this out. All right, so right here behind me is kind of what it looked like all the way up and down the creek, what we cleared out yesterday. So what we're doing is just like working our way down the creek, and when we get to vines and stuff like that hanging down, blackberry bushes and big rocks and stuff, we're just moving and clearing out and cutting down, and then we'll have a really, really nice creek trail.
My thumb over it. Oh man, I hooked it on this branch, man. There was one little thing. I'm sinking!
Climbed the hill twice, man. Had to drag the new mower up the hill once, and then I gotta hike back down, get the camera every single time. But I got it up top, and I'm about worn out. I'm not even joking. I'm gonna take it over here by the right-of-way where we got all the blackberry bushes and the tall grass and everything. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of chopping, see how good it does, and then I think I'm gonna be done for today. Guys, that's gonna do it for this video, man. Just wanted y'all to check out my new field and brush mower. That thing is awesome. It's gonna really help us out here at Sweet 16, man. And will y'all please do me a favor, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. If you liked any part of the video, man, give me a great big huge thumbs up like. And if you got anything to say, just drop it right there in the comments, man. That's all you have to do. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. Really appreciate y'all watching. Peace! Man, I got freaking hot over there in these pants in that tall grass. You know what I'm saying? I'm about ready for a cool down. Thanks again for watching, guys. We'll catch y'all on the next one.